Hello YouTube, what is happening? Thank you for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. Today is Wednesday, April 17th, 2019. I've got a pretty big package here from San Antonio, Texas, from a guy named Tyler. Captain Blackbeard is his name. Blackbeard Trading Company. First off, I got this actually in the mail today from Blackbeard Trading Company. I like the shirt. I like it. Of course, it's going to be sleeveless eventually, so you might as well be prepared. But I'm liking this logo. It's really cool. This tells me, when I first look at this, it reminds me of like a pirate-themed company, and that's cool. I don't have a problem with that. I think it's pretty neat. Here's the package. I actually received this on Monday, 2 days ago. And we're going to open this up and see what's in here. This is my first impression and unboxing of whatever's in there. Couple stickers all over the place. Let's see what we got from Blackbeard Trading Company. Tyler, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to review your products. So this box is actually pretty heavy. So we're going to take a look and see what all we got. Okay, we're starting off with a couple cards. Captain Blackbeard, also known as Tyler Dahl. Then we got two little business cards. We got packaging paper. Okay, another business card here. More packaging paper. I'm throwing that on the floor. So it looks like we have two beard oils and beard balms here. And that's the rest of this little box here. All papers going on the floor. All boxes go over here. So today we have Calypso and Captain's Quarters is what we're looking at. You gotta take the seals off. You gotta do it. Bear with me, everyone. Seals are off of the oils. Seals are now off of both of the balms. Sealed from San Antonio, which is cool. Okay. Calypso from the Blackbeard Trading Company. I'm liking the labeling. I'm liking it already. It's waterproof and oil proof. I can go ahead and tell you because it's shiny. That tells me that it is. Jojoba coconut oil and fragrance. Okay. 1 ounce bottles. This beard oil is an intoxicating aroma of oak moss and amber that will be certain to leave you under the seductive spells of Calypso. Okay. Dropper, you get about 3/4 of the way full, which is good. Yellow color, looks like a light to medium from first impression. Oh, damn. Oh, and I mean, damn. Okay. First impression, damn. Matching beard balm. Black tins, pull off top. Jojoba, coconut oil, shea butter, beeswax, fragrance, and mica. That's what that says. Yeah, the pull off top. Now this smells completely different than this beard oil. I'm not saying it in a bad way. This is more earthy. I like this. And it's red. Looks like it's a little bit of a red tint to it. Okay. And it looks like it's a little bit on the firm side, so it's probably a medium hold. That's okay. The beard oil and the beard balm smell similar, but different. It's different. I'm not used to that. I'm not saying it's bad. I'll let you know how I think of that in a couple weeks. Captain's Quarters. Now on the back of this, join Blackbeard and his Captain's Quarters for a toast. Raise ye glass of bourbon and enjoy the smells of tobacco, tart cherry, and vanilla. And there's the labeling for that. It's got the whiskey bottles on there. Nice. Really really, really nice. Okay. All right. Check the balm. And this one is a little bit of like a smoke gray color as well. And this smells different than the beard oil, which, like I said, I'm not complaining about that at all. The beard oil, this first impression, it almost smells like a medicine from the first impression, and it may change when I put it in beard. So nothing negative to say. I do get the cherry. It's almost like a cherry tobacco, like mixed together, kind of sweet, and the vanilla. Okay, so that's what I have from that. The balm. This is more cherry vanilla on here. So a little bit of a different scent from both of the products. So I will have a review for these in the next upcoming weeks. And there's more inside of here. And I don't know what all's in here. Throwing all the paper down. What the hell? Holy crap. He sent me. Let's open this box. He sent me 2 beard oil holders. Holy crap. Is this your way of saying I have way too much stuff, man? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13. There's 27 spots here for the beard oil. This is really awesome. Now, of course, I do have beard oils here on the table, so I got to get a little bit of a look here. Let me turn over here, and that's how they're going to look. Wow, now that is nice. I really like this. Wow. Thank you very much for sending these to me. This is freaking awesome. So I've got Captain's Quarters, which is a cherry vanilla tobacco scent. One more time. Okay. And then this Calypso is oak moss and amber. Man, this is different here. Oak wood, amber, and moss. Oh, these are 2 very, very surprising scents to me. First impressions, the packaging, if it's supposed to be pirate themed, I think it's good. I think it's cool. The labeling is oil proof and waterproof for sure. Black tins pull off top, which is great. So if you have a problem pulling them off, or your hands are greasy, you might want to take the top off of these before you put your oil in your hands. So you might want to think about that. And the bottles are just your amber glass typical dropper, which is about a 3/4 pull. So that it's good. I'm liking the labeling. The logos are pretty cool. I like them. But these things, wow. Big surprise, Tyler. Thank you very, very much. So I have 2754 beard oils that I could put on these things. And I'm guessing I'm going to have to put another shelving somewhere here. I'll have to figure out how to do that, but wow. What do you think? Right here, maybe? You think? Because I know if I don't put them here, I may just have to put these in the bathroom downstairs, and Mandy's going to be pissed. You know what? We just may do that for that reason. Update on that later on down the road. But anyway, that is my unboxing for the Blackbeard Trading Company. Tyler, first impression, damn. And I mean that. Like, I'm impressed. But I'm going to use these products for the next 3 to 4 weeks. And I will have a review for all of you. And today is Wednesday, April 17th, 2019. I'll have a review within the next 30 days. Thank you all very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up and go follow Blackbeard Trading Company on Instagram. Link in the description box below. Keep on bearding. See you in the next one.